Have you got a Hills folding frame clothesline that needs rewiring? Come along with me and I'll show you how to do it quick and easy. Let's go. Hey guys, Musa here from Quantum Home Improvements and Solutions. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about Hills folding frame clotheslines. And so Hills is a really good brand and it's been around for a long time. In fact, it's actually started by a guy named Lance Hill back in 1945. And he made the first clothesline for his wife. And eventually he came up with the Hills Hoist, which became iconic for Australia. So he started in humble beginnings in his backyard in Glenunga, which is southeast of Adelaide in South Australia. And with the help of his brother-in-law, who was in marketing, it became a household name very quickly. So I installed this Hills folding frame double 23-metre clothesline around 8.5 years ago. And the wire was really good for about 5 years and then started to deteriorate. And around the 6th year, I changed it over to an inferior wire. And we've had that wire for the last 2 years, but it deteriorated after only 1. So I've decided to change back and use the original Hills brand. And as you can see, we've been making do with broken wires for a while now, and it really does need fixing. And at the same time, we had problems with our washing machine where the stabilizers were deteriorated and needed replacing. So I called Nicholas from Frost Wash and Cook, and he came out immediately and repaired it straight away. Very cost effective, great service. I highly recommend him. And I will put a link below for his contact details if you're looking for someone to fix your appliances in the Sydney area. Okay, so to be more efficient with my time, I'm going to get the towels washed up while I'm fixing the clothesline, and it should be finished around the same time. And we can test the clothesline from there. All right, just put it on. Okay, we'll let that go. So I bought this 30-metre PVC line replacement from Amazon, and I'll put a link below in case you want to buy it. So I'll just collect all the pegs, get them off. This is a good opportunity to get rid of all the bad ones, actually. And so now I'm just going to use these pliers to cut all the wires off. So it's pretty easy. All you've got to do is just cut one side of the wire and the other side will just slip through. And you just do that all the way through. And this here, you just feed the wire through the tie-off ring. Okay. Okay, as you can see, that's pretty quick and easy. Okay, so I might also take this section of the line out of the way. So just by lifting it up, clicks and goes down, just get that out of the way. And I'll wire this one first and then I'll do the next one. There we go. Okay, so undo the wire. So this is a 30-metre roll. It's plenty more than what I need here. So there's a few different ways to do this. I'm just going to start off just by cutting the wire and have a fresh end which hasn't got any kinks in it and just feed that through. Okay, and I'll just feed the other end. And now back to the other side. It comes through pretty easily. I'll just run a bit more wire through there. Okay, so now back to the other end. Just feed that through. So there's the final side on the small end. And And then just this final end, I'll just take this one off. What we do here is put it through the tie-off ring, so give it from the right side to the left. You run that around the ring, pulling tight on every corner. Now there are some caps to go over this, but unfortunately I've lost them, but I will get some from eBay just to finish it off and look prettier. Okay, so now we just tighten it all up. We go back the opposite direction and put tension on that wire and just hold that firm and go across this side, pull it back, put a bit of firmness in that wire. Not too hard, but just enough. Firmness there, go back, run that through, hold that firm, run that back. Last side here, and now we run this over to this side. Just estimate, give yourself maybe about 150 mil, probably too much, but I prefer to be over than under, and then just cut that off. So now you just put it through the tie-off ring. So that's the end product. How easy was that? So easy to do. Only took a few minutes. It doesn't take long at all, and it's hardly any effort at all. Okay, so now I'll do the outer one. So with your frame, you pull it all the way up in the air, you hear the clicks, and let it come down, and that locks off. It works really, really well. And so this is a 23-meter line, so it means 23 meters of run, and so you'll be able to put a lot of clothes on this particular clothesline. Okay, so now I'll just do the exact same thing with this side. Just run that through. Run it through this side. Run it through this side. Okay, so again, we just go through the tie-off ring. So from the right to the left, and then just lock that off all the way around. So now again, we just put a bit of pressure on that, tighten it up, tighten out this side. Obviously pull too much wire through, not a big deal. Okay, so now come to this end. Again, we just go down about 150 mil. So again, run it from the right side of the tie-off ring, put a bit of pressure, done. Very easy to do. I hope this video inspires you to do the same. Very cost effective. And so Hills have a number of different type of clotheslines, and this particular one, the folding frame double 23-meter clothesline, has a 10-year guarantee on it, but that does not include the wire. The wire only has a 1-year guarantee. But as you saw, very easy to do to change over. I forgot to mention that this one also comes in 3 colors. There's a black, gray, and a beige, and the beige is called Pebble Beach. So we thought while we're changing the line, we'll also change some of the pegs. And this is the Decor Riva jumbo size. Very good to hold heavy towels and heavy fabrics. By the way, I'm very happy with my Nylex auto reel retractable hose system. I'm thinking about putting them all around the house. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. And if you have any comments, please leave them below and I will get back to you. And I'd ask you, please consider to subscribe, hit the like button and share this video. And there's many more videos to come. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.